English in the Kitchen. Understanding Mini Tarts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic: Mini Tarts. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore what Mini Tarts are and expand your English vocabulary in the most delightful way. First, let's understand what a tart is. A tart is a type of pastry. It has a firm base made of dough and is usually filled with sweet or savory ingredients. The key feature of a tart is its open top. Unlike pies, tarts don't have a top layer of pastry. This makes them look as good as they taste. Now, let's add mini to the mix. In English, mini is a popular prefix used to describe something that is small in size. It implies a smaller version of the original item. So, when we say mini tarts, we are talking about small-sized tarts, perfect for a single serving or as a part of a larger assortment. To help you understand better, let's use mini tarts in some sentences. 1. For the party, we're serving a variety of mini tarts. 2. I love these chocolate mini tarts. They're just the right size for a snack. 3. Could you pass me one of those lemon mini tarts? Notice how mini tarts can be used to talk about different flavors and occasions. In many English-speaking countries, mini tarts are popular at parties, bakeries, and cafes. They are often seen as a fancy or gourmet item, perfect for special occasions or as a treat. Understanding such phrases can give you insight into the culture and lifestyle in these countries. I hope this video has made you both hungry and more knowledgeable about the phrase, mini tarts. Remember, learning English can be as fun as exploring different cuisines. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the process. See you in the next video.